How to check your system specs, part 2. So in part 2 of this, last time we right clicked on the Windows icon and went to system to find the system specs. This time we're going to do it and show everyone just how awesome and smart you are. We're going to click on the magnifying glass here in the search box and type in MS Info 32 and press enter. MS Info 32 provides you a more detailed view of your system specifications. Maybe it's something that we didn't see in the other screen that we want to know. Here we have the OS name and version as we saw before. We have the processor, the BIOS version date, where the Windows directory is, our boot device, which is our hard disk. We can also see our hardware resources. If I want to see what type of hard drive I have, I go down to storage and I can see drives. We see the drive name. I have 2 drives installed. I have drive C, I have drive E, and it also shows drive F. So drive C is my hard drive. It saves all of my information, my files, my folders, my videos, everything that's saved on my computer. It goes to my local disk C. It shows the file system, which is NTFS, and my size, which is 351.41 gigabytes. Some of this space is being used by system processes, by your operating system when your system boots up. And then it also shows how much free space I have in gigabytes, which is 38.21 gigs. Then I have my drive E, and this is also NTFS. It shows how big that drive is and how much free space. And this is my CD-ROM drive, which is my drive F. So now you have learned how to view your system specs. Click on the magnifying glass. Remember, it's MS Info 32. So just think of like Microsoft information and then put 32 behind it. You see your system information, and then boom, you have the system information for your computer. This is Clea with Dare to Care Computers, and until next time.